Permanent yard of the month sign?
Always yard of the month sign. You want to say always?
No, I just want it to be yard of the month, but it's a nice wooden laser engraved sign.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I'm not gonna say that you do not make our yard look like yard of the month every year, but I don't. I like being humble.
Can we put self-proclaimed yard of the month?
With a little asterisk.
Meet Blair and Shannon, siblings and co-owners of Local Stature. Join them as they navigate the ups and downs of running a laser engraving business together. From creative projects with their laser machines to behind-the-scenes challenges. They're here to share it all. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along on their journey.
We're doing a raised garden this year, like growing some vegetables, or at least I'm gonna try. We'll see how it goes. Like the little markers, the little garden stakes. So I do need to make those. And then my friend Mandy, she's going all out. She's like doing several beds, and so I'm gonna make some for her too.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, but I was like, I think I'm gonna do them out of acrylic, just because I don't.
Because they'll rot.
Yeah, and I don't want to have to get wood. You know what I mean? Get like bamboo or whatever. So I'm like, we've got some extra acrylic that I don't think are gonna, like colors that aren't popular, or like something that doesn't burn. Don't like. Yeah, that like burns odd or whatever. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, try that out too.
Get rid of it because it's in the way.
Yeah, it's definitely in the way. Yeah, or like kind of scratched up or yeah. So I'm gonna start testing out the garden stakes. So we bought this, I don't even know what color I thought it was, but it's kind of like a translucent brown, if you will. So I'm gonna try this. And I'm thinking I'm going to engrave the words, like I'm gonna start with cilantro, and engrave the words, like flip it backwards and engrave the words from the back. And see what that looks like. And if I feel like I can't see it enough, then I'll use a paint pen. So, I'm gonna test it out. So these are a little on the thick side. Instead of like buying a template, I decided to design my own, and I just really couldn't picture what size it needed to be. And then I was trying to find a standard size and I couldn't. I think I got impatient. I mean, I guess it's not crazy. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to see that. I don't think I engraved deep enough. I didn't do it. I do like the translucentness, but I just need to go deeper on the engraving, and I probably need a thicker font. I don't know. Just depends on the light when the light hits it.
We're making another metal business card for an associate we ran into. To see if he's even considering wanting one of these. Just that quick. But that looks pretty dang cool. And purchase, just a quick logo offline.
I think I just have too thin of a font, but I like the font, so I'm gonna go with it.
Can you see?
That one was the first one. That one's a no-go. I'm thinking one of these. But that one kind of looks the best, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, maybe. So maybe I will go with that one. I probably won't go as deep as I thought I would because it doesn't actually look good. I probably need a thicker font, but I don't want to. I want to use this font. So I'm just going to stick with this one because I want it to not really like stick out that much in my garden bed. I just want it to like let me know if I get confused of what I've killed. To be honest.
Oh, so it's almost like an incognito unless you're really close and then you can grab it. Oh, that's cilantro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like it's just kind of just to let you know if like and also when things die back
Right.
at the end of the year, to remember where you had everything.
Okay.
So
But
that
you don't want it like standing out.
No, I don't personally.
Oh,
So that's why I was like wanting.
Because most people want it like, yeah.
Yeah, because they have some that are like bigger, and actually, you know, you can put like an image of the actual pepper or whatever, and like brightly colored. But I just wanted something very neutral.
Okay.
Yeah. This is what I want.
Well, I mean, that's cool. Everybody's different.
I know. I'm playing Jane, like I said.
Gotcha.
All right, I need to check on my house numbers.